Area of circle by coiling method. Objective: to obtain the formula for area of a circle, that is pi r square by coiling method. Prerequisite knowledge. Definition of circle. A circle is the locus of a point in a plane which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point remains constant. Fixed point is known as center and the fixed distance is known as radius of the circle. Area of the circle. It is the measure of the region of plane enclosed by it. Circumference of the circle. Total length of its boundary. C is equal to 2 pi r, where r is radius of the circle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Concentric circles. Circles having same center. Materials required: thick string or colored threads, cutter, pair of scissors, Fevicol, geometry box. Procedure: construct a circle of radius r. Take r is equal to 3.5 cm. Using compass and draw concentric circles of smaller radius. Fill the area of drawn circle with concentric circles made of different colored strings or thread so that there is no gap between the threads. Last smallest circle be a point circle. With the help of scissor, cut the colored circular threads along the radius OA. Open all the threads and arrange each thread as a straight line. Place each thread one over another starting from thread of largest circle to smallest circle in such a way that it forms a triangular shape. Similarly, yellow, green, orange and blue threads forms triangular shape. Observation: the triangular shape so formed out of the threads, area of the circle is the same as the area of triangular shaped. Base of the triangle is the circumference of the circle. Largest thread, that is base of triangle, is equal to 2 pi r. Vertical height of the triangular shape is equal to radius of the circle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into b into h is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 pi r into r equal to pi r square. Therefore, area of the circle of radius r is equal to pi r square square units. Result. The figure formed in this activity is almost the shape of the triangle. Therefore, the area of this triangle so formed is equal to the area of the circle, that is pi r square. Learning outcome. Students observe that the area of the circle is pi r square, that is half the product of its circumference and radius. Activity time. Using the above activity, find the area of circle taking radius as 4.2 cm. Using the above activity, find the area of circle taking radius as 4.9 cm.